Very good evening, friends. I am Dr. Arun Singh from Pink City, Jaipur, India. Welcome to a new episode of Global Stock Market Outlook. This episode is especially designed for my international friends and followers on Astro-Tech Global and on my channel Technical Talk with Dr. Singh. In this episode, we are going to discuss what charts are telling in the major indices across the globe, including US indices, French, UK, Germany, Japan, and China as a surrogate marker of the Hong Kong index. And we'll briefly touch few important stocks for the international market like Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia, etc. Let's dive deep into the world of Astro-Technical, in which we will discuss the technical chart along with the astrological impact. Two major impacts are there. One is the Mercury. Mercury is coming out of the combustion, and effect of the Mars, because Mars is transiting into Leo according to Vedic astrology, not according to the Western astrology. From 7th June to 28th July, Mars is transiting in the Leo along with the Ketu. And these two fiery planets in the fiery sign of the Leo, they will impact the world economic and market both in a very significant way. Prior to starting, a small disclaimer, I am not a CB registered financial analyst. These videos are for the educational purpose and no buy and sell recommendations according to this. Anyone who is interested in going in deep of the Mars in the Leo, the detailed video is already available on my channel, Technical Talk with Dr. Singh, and the detailed analysis of the Mercury combustion and retrogression in the Vedic astrology, which these are the planets which are the most commonly affect the financial market. So the detailed analysis you can go through on my channel, Technical Talk with Dr. Singh. Anyone who is interested in the learning the Astro-Technical and Trading Skill Development course, the detailed video regarding course and the fee is available on my channel, Technical Talk with Dr. Singh. So please go through that channel. And anyone who is interested, they can WhatsApp me on my mobile number 98290501188. Let's start from today's highlight for the international market, G7 summit in Canada from 15 to 17 June. And prior to these summit, there are important tariff related negotiations which are going on all across the world. US team is in India for negotiation with the India. The I think trade deal is going to close soon with the EU, Japan, and China. Next week, important economic data in the USA are as wholesale inventory on Monday, optimism index on Tuesday, and the most important one is the CPI, core CPI on Wednesday, June 11. And Wednesday is, by the way, the Punima full moon is also there. So this is a moon time cycle day. So be ready for a major swing. On June 12th, there are initial jobless claim and core PPI, producer price index. So, and the last data on Friday is sentiment. Which sentiment? On Friday, manufacturing. No, this is, we jumped 1 week. consumer sentiment data on Friday 10 a.m. US time. On June 5th, European Central Bank has cut its interest rate by 25 basis points. The RBI has taken the clue from that, and they reduce 50 basis point rate cut along with the 100 basis point CRR cut, boosting India growth and economy. Indian ADRs in the USA are doing quite well, so India is going to open on Monday on a high note. Gap up opening is expected, and we are expecting to break this channel in which the Nifty is stuck in the last 2 weeks. Let's start from the most important index in the current era is Nasdaq because it is a tech heavy index. Last candle itself is a very bullish candle because it is a bullish engulfing candle and it is going to break this zone and we are heading towards the all-time high, which is 22,300 plus. So technically this is a good chart. Now we dive to a Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones Industrial Average has formed this classic inverted head and shoulder type of pattern. So we are expecting if we break from this line, then we are expecting Dow Jones to reach 45,000 plus sooner than expected. Tesla. This is a very interesting chart of the Tesla. Tesla is taking support at around the 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average is also very close to the current price. And Tesla has formed a very interesting bullish Harami pattern after a uh, long red candle day before yesterday, which is formed due to the feud between the Donald Trump and Elon Musk. They've they fought very bitterly on public platform like social media as well as on X. So classically, uh, Donald Trump is now Elon X. But what I feel is these fights are just for the public opinion only, and they both are having a very good relationships, and the financial relationships are usually very strong relationships. So, so after few days, they both will get together in each and every aspect of the life, and the Tesla will resume its upward journey. S&P 500 is also showing a very good chart pattern, and this is the chart pattern is quite similar to the inverted head and shoulder pattern shown by the Dow Jones, and it may. So US indices are showing all-time high, going towards all-time high. Bank Nifty is in India. It is a index which is made up of the 12 banks in India, and it's represent the financial uh, positions of Indian economy. And this is shown a breakout after the yesterday's RBI rate cut and CRR. NVIDIA. NVIDIA chart is showing a very interesting type of the consolidated pattern in the on the top, and it may resume a uptrend from here towards its next target, or it may give a nice dip up to 113 also in this chart. Boeing company, Boeing is showing a very smart uptrend from 8th of the April, and currently it is after a two large red candle day. It is giving us a very interesting bullish Harami pattern, and it may resume uptrend on Monday. Apple Incorporation is consolidating in in a zone for over the last 8 days, and it may give a breakout on either side from this position. FTSE 100 is a UK, United Kingdom's index. It is showing a strong bullish reversal in this candle, which is a almost piercing line type of pattern, and it is give upside. Last 3 days, CAC has given a spinning top of consecutive three spinning top means it is a indecisive type of pattern, and we'll wait if the gap up opening is there on Monday in the CAC. It means the French index is also going for an upward direction. What about the US dollar? US dollar is showing a showing some uptrend from the bottom after this formation of this morning star type of the candlestick pattern, which shows some bullish momentum, but there is a strong resistance at around 100 level. DAX is a German index, which is also showing similar to the CAC. It is showing the 3 days indecisive spinning top, and if any gap up happen on the Monday, then this may shoot upwards to a newer high. CAC, Nikkei is a Japanese index. This index is also showing upward breakout from consolidated zone of 37,740. After a doji candle, this is a last candle is a green candle, which is showing some bullish momentum, and it may show some of. Last not the least, the Hang Seng, which represent the China, and the last candle is a bearish engulfing candle at double top. So we will wait for the opening uh, Chinese Hang Seng market opening on Monday regarding the further uptrend or a downtrend in the this one. CAC is showing almost similar type of the three candle pattern. China says that it may speed up the rare earth application approval, and not last the least is the crude oil. In the last few discussions, I already discussed this pattern. This is a inverted head and shoulder pattern on the crude, and if the crude is going to cross 64 or $65, then the next target will be around the $72 on the crude. So when the crude is showing up trend, all the major indices across the world, including the mighty US indices, are showing uptrend. This means the global market is in the grip of the bulls, and with this grip of the bulls, our Indian market in the India, along especially Bank Nifty and Nifty, will show some more upside in coming day. Thank you very much, friends, for patience hearing. And if you people still didn't like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channels, I am having three YouTube channels. One channel is the oldest one is my technical talk with Dr. Singh. Along with this, I had made two new channel. One channel for my international clients and international friends, Astro-Tech Global Trading, and another channel which is a dedicated channel to cryptocurrency is Astro-Tech Crypto. Kindly like, subscribe, and share all these three channels. And thank you very much. And may God bless you all. And your trading will be happy and prosperous next week. Thank you.